Hi everyone, this is Richard from Rocky Mountain Motos. In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your stock side stand with a HimmaShortStand. You only need three simple tools: an 8mm hex wrench, a 6mm hex wrench, and a 13mm box end wrench. The first step is to place your Himalayan on the center stand. The next step is to take your 8mm hex wrench and remove the main mounting bolt for your shift lever. Go ahead and remove the bolt all the way. And just let the shift lever and the bolt dangle. Next step is your 6mm hex wrench. We're going to remove the bolt that retains the stock center side stand. We're also going to use a 13mm wrench on the nut on the back side. Go ahead and remove this bolt all the way. You might have to wiggle your side stand a little bit to get this bolt out. There we go. Now what you're going to do is you're going to just pivot this down a little bit and remove the spring from the back retaining pin. Just let the spring dangle. Now we're going to take our new HimmaShortStand and we're going to put that pin right back on this back side, the spring on the back side of this pin. And what you're going to do is you're going to rotate the stand up to the mounting point. There should be a little grease here. If not, you can add a little assembly grease. This is a new Himalayan, so there is a little grease here. And the trick here is to go ahead and pivot your stand downwards and then wiggle it to get it into the correct location for the mounting bolt. Now take your mounting bolt, put it in here. Again, you might need to wiggle this a little bit. Get your 6mm hex wrench. Start tightening that. Have the nut on the back ready. Have your 13-inch wrench handy. Put it on the nut on the back and tighten this down very well. All right, that's all. Now we can pivot your HimmaShortStand up and reattach your shift linkage gear. Use your 8mm hex wrench to tighten it. And you're now finished. You've now installed your HimmaShortStand.